Hey guys, you're watching Silver Sample, and what I've got here, I've got an iPad dock unboxing here. So let's take a look outside the box. We've got Apple logo here on the back, dock, school, so clear basic dock. And you've got the iPad 2 here, Apple logo, and nothing in the front. So let's unbox it. Oh, what's the the plastic is bombastic. Anyways, so yeah, that's the box. So here's the dock. Oh, let's put it here. I've got some iPad dock, how to use it, user manual. And okay, something other informations. So let's remove the plastics. There we go, the iPad dock. Okay, so here we've got the dock connected. On the back you can connect your headphones. I'm not sure, not headphones. Okay, on the back we've got Apple logo and designed by Apple in California. And here you can plug in your USB. So you can connecting this one here. Sorry for that. Anyways, we've got here they have the pen connecting. There we go. We'll plug it in. So here's my iPad 2. Let's plug it into here. So there we go. This iPad 2. As you see the design, it's the same. On the back, the iPad. There we go. I'm going to put it into charging mode, and I will be right back. So there we go. I just put it here. One second. Okay. As you can see, the iPad is charging. As you can see, charging mode. There we go. Here we get the iPad. On the back, cable. Okay. So there we go. That's the unboxing of the iPad dock. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.